Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Checking out the tires, date code 2025, they are 35, 12, 5, 24s. Looking at that tread, looks incredible. Tons of life left. Here on the wheel, some very light rash right there. A little bit here, some light ones there. And when I say light, like I don't really feel texture. So it looks like something just barely grazed it. It may not even be like curb rash necessarily, maybe when they mounted the tires or something like that. You do have a couple chips. Those wheels look good. Got the lift here. All of that looks nice. The bright white paint, it's not pearl, so it really pops. I like it. Shorty antenna, looks good. A couple little rock chips down here. Side mirror, got the color matched right there. A-pillar looks good. Power running boards. Now you're gonna have some little rock impacts on that lower section. You're gonna have some here on the door edge. You're gonna have some little rock chips on the handle. Got the gloss black trim, looks good. Besides little rock chips, this looks nice. You do have a larger one right here. Graphic looks good, the rest of that's clean. Tires look amazing. Got your BMW. Looking at that wheel, once again, some white markings here. Might be a little bit of rash. For the most part though, that looks good. Beautiful wheel. Taillight's clean. A couple little scratches on the plastic. Got the parking sensors. That bumper looks good. Tailgate looks nice. A couple little scuffs on the plastic. Looks nice. Tailgate looks good. Wheels overall in great condition, very similar to the rest. Of course, you're gonna have your light rock chips on the bottom. A couple on the edge there. Fender looks good. Side mirror, couple little chips. Then this wheel does have actual rash. So you're gonna see they tried to touch it up a little bit there. And it's kind of deep right here. And it chewed up the face as well. And you can see when they sprayed it to fix it, they sprayed over all of those. So this is the one wheel that has most of the damage. Looking at the front end, you do have fading here on the top of the headlight. Those are halogen, they're not LED or anything like that. So that looks good. You have the fading here. And then on the edge, you do have a couple rock chips. It's pretty subtle. Dark window tint on the front windshield, and then dark on the side. So overall, that is a great looking truck. It's got all the right goodies. All right, looking at the interior, it's a non-smoker. Got the black leather console, no pano roof. Really nice in here for the miles. Looking at that door panel, upper section looks good. Light little scuffs here and there. Buttons nice and clean, got the memory seating. That looks good. Power steps, WeatherTech mats. Here on that bolster, of course, the cushion is smushed down a little bit there. I don't see any rips or tears though. Here on that bolster, a little bit of wear on the piping, but the cushion is perfect. It's really nice. Upper section looks good. Here on the steering wheel, a little bit of wear. I'd say it's pretty minor for the miles. That looks good. Automatic headlights, spotlights for the side mirrors, 97,000 miles. Navigation, trailer brake controller, heated cool seats. All of those buttons look good. Console's nice and clean. This looks good. Very nice. Here on the back left door panel, overall in great condition. Got your WeatherTech here. Slide that up there. Now it is creased right there. You do have some kind of dirt in that hole there on the little perforated hole, so that's what that is. I don't think it's any stains. A little scuff. That looks good. Under seat, looks like it is missing the little storage compartment. Not quite sure what that is. And then the cap for this one is busted off. Here on that door panel, a couple light scuffs, but for the most part in great condition. WeatherTech mat looks good. Cushion's perfect, same here. Really nice seats. Console, that looks good. Got the double glove box, all in great condition. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now, all that flickering and craziness, that's just in the camera. That is not in person. Got 97,863 miles on the odometer. You have very dark window tint on the full front windshield. And then you have probably 5% here on the sides. Got the lift, wheels, tires, bed liner, B&W. I think the date code on the tires is 2025, so they're really fresh. Non-smoker. We're just gonna go for a drive. That dark window tint is really nice to have on that front windshield. Now, it is illegal, but you just take that risk. Shifting nice and smooth. Of course, you're going to have the vibrations in the wheel, and if I let go, it does pull to the right. You can see it shake. Brakes feel good. It shifts really nice. Haven't felt it rub at all yet, but I'm going to do a full crank here. Let's see. Nothing there. That's full tilt there, and kind of at an angle. All the way. I'm not hearing anything rubbing, so I think it's safe to say it's all good.